It's been a couple days. Well, let me catch you up real quick. The last time I made a video, I was telling you guys I hurt my leg. Yes, I did. Very bad. I pulled some ligaments, and I pulled them damn good. Only thing I've been able to do is basically take Kit outside to go potty. That's it. That means all the training I used to do in the yard had to be put on hold. I am right now down here at the city park. The first time I've been out walking with Kit since, well,
what you got?
Now he's got something. Well, anyway, let me get my mind back. It's the first time I've been walking with Kit since I pulled my leg. And yes, I'm going to be in pain, but I want to at least try to walk. But anyway, guys, I want to talk about puppy training. And we're going to get Kit on here. I'm not going to make you wait anymore. And yeah, he's done some growing. He's starting to become a big boy now. Hey, Kit. Kit. And by the way, I already checked the payment. I may have to check it again to make sure it ain't too hot for his little paws. I don't want him burning them. He seems to be okay. I'm letting him take me where he wants to take me. But yeah, do you think he's grown a little bit? Yeah. I think he's grown quite a bit. You can start seeing the brown fur come in more on his back. Leave it. But guys, we're going to do a little bit of talking about puppy training. And we're going to get a lot of Kit on here. I got to be very careful. Kit, we can't go down there, baby. That's a hill, and Daddy's leg ain't going to be able to handle the hill. That I could tell you now. Huge difference walking on pavement than walking in grass. I'm telling you now. All right. And the thing is, since I have pulled ligaments, not just one, it actually hurts more to stop. It hurts more to stand in one place. So anytime I'm making a video and I see I'm in pain, I am. All right, guys, one of the things that went through my mind right away, well, it's actually 2 days after I pulled the ligaments, because most of my injuries I usually heal up from within about, well, besides the back. You know, I've had leg pain before, and I didn't think anything of this one. And I thought I was going to be fine after 2 days. I really did. And then reality hits me. I was like, shit, I'm not going, sorry about the cuss word, y'all. I'm sorry. I said, I'm not going to be able to do any walking with Kit. I'm not going to be able to do any training outside with Kit. What am I going to do? I was like, what the heck am I going to do? Then I had to think about that. I was like, okay, what training do I do with Kit that needs the outside? Well, it's me training him to walk with me. You know, the to-me command, walking on my side. That's the main thing right there. Well, we're going to get to taking him out to use the potty. But that's the main thing I need the outside for. You know, and I was going to actually do most of that down here. That's a German Shepherd over yonder there. Mm-hmm. Huh. You know, I remember seeing that puppy or that doggy when it was a puppy. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Could never get up and pet the dog because I always had Stormy with me, and Stormy just didn't like nobody. But anyway, guys, it might get a little dark because we're going underneath this shelter. So, you know, there's lots of YouTube videos out there on how to train your dog, okay? The main things I wanted Kit to do, and this is flat and simple. The number one thing for Kit, I wanted him to be able to walk beside me and listen to my commands. He pretty much does a good job now, but he's still a puppy. The other thing, obviously, is to use the bathroom outdoors. Just to let you all know, I achieved that so far. So far. When he's got to go potty, he goes to the door. That's right. Of course, even though my leg is pulled, I'm still taking him out anywhere from 30 to 35 times a day. Even, well, I'm on vacation, by the way. Yeah. And since I've been on vacation, my wife has helped out tremendously. But we're going to get to something that Angie's done recently, or she's been doing, and kind of came back last night to bite us in the butt. Another thing that I've been teaching Kit, and he does it better outside with me Then inside is when he gets a hold of something he's not supposed to get a hold of, the command leave it. And that, when he hears the command, he lets it out of his mouth. He doesn't do it so well for Angie and I indoors. He does it okay for outdoors. In order for me to train him, well, that's where I train him, was outdoors anyway. So we're training him indoors. But basically, taking him out, walking with me, the normal sit, stay, come command, them things can be taught indoors. And we are doing that. As far as playtime, I'm using the laser more than anything. Yes, the laser was supposed to keep him off the things not to chew on. We'll get to that if I don't forget. Instead, I was like, you know what? You love this, and I can't get down on the floor and play with you. We will play with this, and then we'll grab your toys, play some tug of war from the couch. I will throw them, and maybe we could do some fetch. He doesn't do so well on fetch when I'm sitting on the couch. But guys, that's what my reality just came, you know? I had to rethink everything. I was like, son of a gun. I get a new dog, and what was it? Well, pretty much a month wasn't it? Yep. A month, no, it was actually a couple days before it was a month I had Kit, I think. I was like, then I had to go and hurt myself. My leg will heal eventually, and I will be back out here training him. And right now, I'm seem to be doing okay. I'm walking on it for now. But then again, I am on some Tylenol. Yes, I said Tylenol, guys. That's what I'm taking for my pain. And I'm just letting Kit take me where he wants to take me, because one day we'll be walking down here and I want him to get used to it. But let me get to what my wife kind of, well, I don't know if I rightly should blame her, but maybe I should. In one of the videos I made recently, I had basically mentioned my wife is Kit's favorite. Hands down. Nobody comes even close to it. Trust me. He absolutely adores her. So what's been happening, and I don't know if you guys know this, I've been having to sleep upstairs on my recliner because there's no way in hell I'm going to be able to sleep in my bedroom. To get to my bedroom, I had to climb down a flight of steps. And with my leg the way it is, it can be very, very dangerous. So anyway, middle of the night, I'm guessing, what would you say, Ange? About 4 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Last night, 1 o'clock in the morning, Angie, Kit, well, he'll wake up. So what Angie do is she'd take him outside and basically let Kit sleep with her. Well, guess what good old Kit did last night? Went to bed, woke up at 1 o'clock in the morning, wanted to go out, and he didn't want to go back to his cage. So he slept with us. More or less, he slept with my wife.
Not the whole night.
Well, no, it wasn't a whole night. No, it wasn't a whole night. But still, I don't want to go up that hill. So let's turn around and walk. You know what? Let's walk back out to the road and maybe take the same trail we did. See if I can do it twice. So yes, we still keep Kit in a crate when we eat suppers, you know, when we eat lunch. But, and it doesn't matter. Let's say he don't want to go to the crate at night. You think we give two craps? No. If you remember when we first got Kit, I made the statement. I made the statement then. I said the crate's only there until he starts sleeping in bed with us. Yeah. I mean, every dog I had all the way back from Beth, yeah, I don't know if I ever mentioned I had a dog named Beth. The animal slept in bed with us. Yeah. Stormy did. She only was in a crate train for a month. Then she ended up in bed with us. So the bottom line is I had to rethink everything, and I was really, really nervous that I was going to lose everything in training Kit. I could teach him to sit, stay, come, all the commands from my living room. I could, and of course me taking him out so many times a day, and with my lovely wife's help, because she's on vacation, she's somewhere back there. Oh yeah, she's trying to hide from the camera, I bet. Nope, you can't have that, baby. You know, and the other commands we're teaching them, which we're working on, it's working with me so far as the no biting. It's working with Angie too now. We just got to teach them not to, we got to teach our kids not, we got to teach our kids to do that with Kit. Now, he's never jumped up on me. He still kind of jumps up on Angie. She has been teaching him not to. As far as my daughter goes, oh God, forget it. I have a TikTok, not a TikTok. I have a YouTube short I'm going to upload probably today. And you'll see what my daughter does, or what Kit does when my daughter gets home. He still jumps up on her, and I keep telling her, I say, you got to do the same commands that your mom and I've been doing to teach him not to do that. Well, Angie told me what Kit's doing when I'm not paying attention. I got the camera going. He's finding things on the ground to try to put in his mouth because I'm not paying attention to him. I also notice that in the house too. When I'm not paying attention, he's taking advantage of that. And I also notice he's taking a little bit of advantage of my leg being hurt. He is. He knows Daddy is hurt. So he's going to do things. But Angie seems to, well, Angie has more control over Kit now than she has before. I just got to get my kids on board to start using the commands we've been using with Kit. But like I said before, you can watch all kinds of YouTube videos. You can watch all kinds of trainers. Everybody has their own unique way of training. You know, my dog Stormy, I paid $600 to get her trained, and it was a waste of money. Instead, I did it all myself. And I'm going to do Kit the same way. The main thing I need for Kit to learn is use the bathroom outside, walk right next to me and listen to my commands so he doesn't pull, and of course sit and stay. And it will be very helpful for him to learn come to me, Kit. Now, as far as Kit goes, he still wants to bite. When he gets a little older, that would eventually stop, unless that bad habit goes over into adulthood, but we are working on that. And for him chewing up things around the house that's not exactly toys, well, I tell you what, I did have a nice throw rug. I threw it away. I had to. He would not leave the edges alone. Every chance he got, he kept going back to them. And he don't have it no more. But the throw rug has seen better days. If you guys want to know one of the other reasons I threw it away, I will tell it in another video. Leave comments down below. I am also happy to tell you guys my puppy, as of, what'd you say, about 4 days ago, has graduated away from the basket. That's right. I am keeping him up front with me, and he is being a perfect gentleman. That's right. He sits and he stays there, and he doesn't act up or anything. On occasions, he might want to try to lay his head, might want to come over and say hi to Daddy, and I was like, no, Kit, sit. You gotta stay. So I graduated from the basket, but other than that, Kit's doing excellent. He has grown a lot. And one of these days, Kit, you're going to be going up to a tree like this, and you will be hiking your leg like other male dogs. But that probably won't happen for about, until you're about 6 months old or older. At least I think. I've never owned a male dog. I don't know. Highly doubt he's going to listen to me right now, but we're going to try it. Kit, sit, sit, sit. Good boy. This is for a thumbnail, honey. Right here. You want to say hi to the tubers? I guess not, right? All right, you just want to go. I don't blame you. Let's go. So until my leg gets better, the videos are going to kind of be like this, or even from inside the house. They may be further apart. I am happy right now because I made, well, I did 2 laps around the park, but I used the grass. I didn't use the road, which is a lot further. And my leg right now, if I was to go to pain level, it's number 1. But as soon as I get in my car, it's going to probably be a level 8 or 9. The pain will. Yeah. Sitting down right after I got done, after I've been outside with Kit, it always seems to be painful. I don't know why that is, but it is. So guys, there's my update. I'm tired. You know, I was so worried I wouldn't be able to come down here and walk at all. He's fine. He's fine. Okay, guys, until next time. Yeah, something else real quick before I close it out. I ain't been able to go in any stores because of my leg. Maybe we're getting ready to head to the store now. Maybe I might be able to go in there because I know our friend John Ashley wants to see Kit so bad. So he hasn't been doing much meeting and greeting. That bothered me too. All right, guys, till next time, come on, let's get out of here. I will see you in a couple days or so. You know, got to give me time whenever I can make a video. Until then, hope you all have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching.